Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle of today in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, King's Day, Wednesday, April the 27th, 2022. Well, this is the last puzzle. I'm very well tied. All those parties and festivals for today. Well. Okay, let me continue with the last puzzle, number 4470. 4470. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. And for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, there a single box, always a 1. Then the following question, duo box. Do we have duo boxes here? Yeah, here. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. Triple boxes then. No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box. Quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5 of an L shape. Yeah. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let's see. We have 2 quadra boxes left. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 boxes left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 1 and 2. Alright, here I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape. Yeah, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. T shape. Another one. Rotated. This box has the same name as that box, and that box has the same name as this box. Then the following shape, the Z construction. Rotated, or S. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see the the Z construction. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another Z construction. So this box, wait. This box, same number as that box, and that box is the same number as this box. A lot of connected boxes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, only one. And then I see another shape here. Let me put the shape there. Alright. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. Alright. This box is the same number as that box. Okay. Yeah. And the last figure or shape or construction or structure, whatever you name it, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. And this box is the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes. There are maximum 6, but not in this puzzle. There are 5 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, then the following step, it's easy then for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Oh, I forgot this one. This box is connected with that box. Should be a 1. Right. And let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Well, this box is connected with that box. Suppose this box should be a 3. Well, it's connected with that box, should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 there. So it can't be a 3 anymore. So the 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Okay, now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Then, let me think. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 1. This box is connected with that box, should be so a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. We have a double 1 here and double 2 there, so these 2 boxes can be 1, and these 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this quarter box should be the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. A 3 and a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place the 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 3. But we already have a 1 here, so it can't be a 1 anymore. So this box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. That means now we have a 3 there, so this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 boxes left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Well, that means that box can't be 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Let me think. 3, 2, 3. Overlook this 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. 3 and 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can be 2 and a 3. Can be a 4. Yes, definitely 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this Z construction for the number 2, and this box is connected in with that box, should be with the 2. And that box is connected with this box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. 2 boxes left in this L shape for numbers 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and the 5. Okay. Then. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. Let me think. 1, 4. Okay. this box cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 4. So no 4 there. So the 4 should be in one of those 3 boxes. That means that if I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 3 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be here. Okay, so these 3 boxes now can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, and this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Then 1, 2, 4, 3 and a 5. Yeah. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudoku, playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. Playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday, King's Day. See you tomorrow. Bye bye for now.